Else, please. Okay, yes. Okay.
Listen. I want everybody to call.
Oh, I'm phone up, man. Okay, ni pion. Okay.
Girlfriend. So me and Dorishi. Bluetooth. So that is 2012. 2012. So when we know that 2012.
I better listen, please.
So we date each other. So after then, when me want, the time when me want travel to Germany, then I can't put money for inside my shoe. Then he can't see the money. So I said money, say why I put money inside my shoe? Now I said I want use the money to do something. Then I said okay. This kind of money, I don't feel carry and follow body. But where I did go, get the way be.
Man, they come to me now.
That since my guess, so no, some guests, they feel collect her. He collect her, then I not go, no. Now it's okay. It's okay, me I not worry, he go.
Please share this, share it, let it go viral, please.
Come back.
Share and like my page, please, guys. Like my page.
So later in the evening, so now you can tell me say that they follow the drag land in your land. Say since you know they Nigeria, I beg if me.
That is the voice of the ex-girlfriend.
Omoreveyi money out of that 5,000 euro when me give me owe for me. He said because he not there and money not there with her. Now I said okay. If I borrow you, if I give you, you will give me. You know, say this money I want use them. So he will say okay, no problem. He go return money, give me. We can say okay. Then he can collect 1,500 for inside the money. Now say if he collect her, he will complete the money back. If I want collect her before I come back, he can say okay. So now we got to give her that 1,500 inside that 5,000. Based on if we come back, he go down cover the money back to 5,000 euro. Then he will give me my money back. So now the money take deal with her. I draw that money. He tell me say anytime money enter his hand, he go give me, he go beg me. I say okay. Then after that, now me I come sit down, come talk as a boyfriend and girlfriend then. So now we can discuss based on the way Europe's situation be, whereby women get upper hand concerning the issue of money, the way we take get money. So as we discuss, we can discuss how we take build our life so that we still do more average, do a little bit okay. Then we can sit down, we can discuss, okay, this is what we need. Now this one we need. At least he need to do business go Nigeria. Then now then we discuss and say, okay, if they do business go Nigeria, then maybe you go find.
Please, I want to see comments.
Do business.
Comment.
Africa things.
Show me comments. Yes.
All those stuff. So now then we will discuss all those things. So now then we will talk, say okay, if me everything done good, let me know about or I may know about me. So based on the trust and everything. So me go to cut everything, so me go give her 32,000 euro for business. So okay, me to the buy motor, they go
House.
Africa. I got give her 32,000 euro. Then when we give her that 32,000 euro, even when he fed the stay, in the stay with his friends that time, in the one room. Then now we got us okay, since as if they one room, at least we need our privacy. And that has where they need to come up for them. Then I can't give her money. I can't give Richy money about 1,000, about 3,500 to 4,000. We can't rent us. As we can't rent the house, we can't buy things. I can't give her money. I can't send money. Go give her because when he with her, when he dey far from where he dey. It be like me. I dey Benin. He dey north. He dey south. He dey north. It just be like Nigeria now, not Benin south. So na so we take dey. So we can send her money. Me take buy chair, furnish the house, buy chair, buy telly, buy fridge, washing machine. So come buy those things. The one way you money still reach because you buy you. So now so we got to the go. So when he want do in mama remembrance, that time me they built me want build a house, 6 flats for my former house, the house when I built for my mother. So and me got to say I want build 6 flats put. So now they come tell me say no. As they come measure, they come tell me say 6 flats no go fit enter the land. That now only 4 flats now go fit enter the land because they can't shut the land for the back. Now come mold block. As I mold block, so inside that period, Richy want do a mother remembrance. As he want to do a mother remembrance, now he come clear to me say, you know, get the money. People wey promise and say they go do, they go.
Nobody promise her.
The man wey talk say go.
Nobody
give
promise
her
her.
hotel, those stuff. After he don't do everything, go come pay for that drink. The guy come to say no, he no trust her, he no go fit. After I don't help her finish, now he come tell me say, I beg, he still need some money. Then he want to rent hotel and buy a lot of drink. Now me come to say I not get. He come beg me say, if me borrow am, he go give me. So now me come say the money wey me want to start, till they build the house, till do foundation. So now me come borrow am. That about 3,000 euro, 3,000 euro. Now me come borrow am. As me come borrow am the money, when you come do the burial finish, when you come do the burial finish, you know, because now $1 now they spray. So we need to change that dollar to euro. So then I say the day holiday during summertime. So they're not going to change that money. I mean, want to go back to my seat where me day. Now you can tell me, say, okay, problem no day. As it be so, whether me the interest to buy land. Let me come to say, I be interest to buy land, but nobody to trust. And that issue problem, I no fit, I dey fear. Now you come tell me, say, many no fear that. Our godmother, he get land when he wants sell. If I could buy, say, if he no say the land they secure, and I know godmother home, and since a person where we know, I feel buying am, but he go assure me say the land they secure. He dey sure say the land. My godmother home. He said yes, my godmother get the land, no problem. I go say okay. If not like that, I go back. So then he come say It's okay. Now I got them say, if you reach Nigeria, you go call me. They made me call my brother come. That's okay. When you come in Nigeria, you come buy the land. As you come meet the godmother, they come talk to the godmother. You come pay godmother the money. So I make up pay godmother money now. Now, my brother, the man where my sister born for, that one come go look the land. That one come tell me say, he just see the land. And I say, they tell me say the land not be only land, na the land and a 6 flat foundation. I buy the land with 6 flat foundation. So now he come tell me say, the man come tell me say, see how much what is sell land? Say now 1.7. Then they want to sell the land. Now say, why the land come there? He said because they don't already lay foundation put for the house. They don't even fill themselves. Now I come say, okay. Now that my sister husband now come tell me say, true, na 6 flat foundation a day, and they don't see filler. Now so okay, say the land they want to buy land for that area, say na the same thing.
Please, if you are a presenter and you want to have all this video, all this recording, please call me. I will send it to you. Let us fight this battle together, not only me, until Richy return those properties to the owner.
Oh wow, Swer avec petiota. Wana gwale audio nani ekpe na.
You are a truthful man.
Una gelea ma no do gwa ba dole doji. Okuyaki okukin.
You are not a gabagebe.
Oh wele yo ma no rieko de. We be rieko de no we ire ta. Egi ege na we ire gbinana. Onu tinye. Ye ga sende a message na ya gwe. Nu be ya gbinane. O devo. Vijoma. Otioma. Adoke. Igona again, na sojina. The bagemi ya de donishina vioena. E fabrika ohana na wina. Egbe oja wina. Ewe bo gije no kaje. 2016 ewe bo yari. 2015 ewe bo yari. 2014 ewe bo zeye kakabo. 2013 oyere ma. Bona hijena. Nipu que no do yimezije ni te kabia we gbere e ya mu eko last year yana piere the year na ni mawajena because oma azewevi almost over kan
that's true
aniere oma pio mu all the time no tebe kaya jeva o be ya koko mo ogwa na e no jimeteme na ara to amiege omoni ya fie igona Omoni erio igona onaga ogwari mekula ero mona eri moka wina lele era eyanti oso pa oso obi ohana pa oso na de brother dobori mekata ban o yera vije e brother na ga ku orin go ohana na e brother na egenete. No matter who, it doesn't take nonsense. Bewa no. Gia swape yo eko, gia bogo yo eko na zoli bielati. Otu eniga. Eva no vekbina no mano. Agbo ti yo eko ere. Agbo si osio ti yo eko ere. Eri mega aje, ade fi meni ko ere. Eni omo ewe dade. It was Tony Kabaka, best friend, and Tony Kabaka, brother. But today is late. When I tell you, a bride don't born in a late. Otime Tony Kabaka, over this one, over ya late. Ekeya gbina yo tona, bogbe buya. Aya sivi ye mi na mama yana. Aya vie pa.
What's your name?
Vie pa mi vie chove na. Ajoba. O to bogi lele Tony je michoni. O magiri ogwa.
Look at what Don Richy did.
The police.
Damio. Then I ban okuna wa. We kata miane.
Can you not tell me how we keep playing now?
Don Richy yesterday the woman that stands for
Honey, sorry, I'm going to go. Since on Friday, they have took a woman of 75 years old to state CID.
Yeah.
La analyze my hands. You may break
75 years old woman. A woman that always stands for Omoreveyi.
Omoreveyi as his mother because Omoreveyi Erimeye. Okwona. Omoreveyi na. Omoreveyi Omoregboma. Omoreveyi na ya zije. Zere iji yegiragbon. Ona yokona zije. Okwona gimutiane zeriye.
This woman was still arrested.
Okwona. No more Omoreveyi ya zije na. Ton Richy viola pari owa. Eya mwen.
Then when the Richy get there,
Ton Richy gi seva.
Said, this is your Juju, you people swear.
Bona we bona wa do vea.
Then he brought out one water.
Bona mwame la diave jerika.
I mean, the water that woman peace.
Owa yo nikoya yo keniye yo keno koniye mwe konare yo.
Then he poured everything in that ebo.
Ona dona do twele la big God's power. The baguette, bon, alors non, rusé, zidé, non rusé, de bama ave, non ve bonito, non ve tie bonito, on a why ya yo le.
Then after doing that, then he arrested them.
On a vient imoto, on a vient arresté.
Then he give the police money.
On a mwe 3 million.
3 million to police.
On a mwe police.
Then he started beating these people.
Police in Asie no aye palwe.
After beating them, then he planned with the police.
The police
That the police should say that they were dragging gun with them.
The police no kagwe sisi.
Then they wanted to eliminate them. If not the live video I do that.
Live video no the Friday night ni la dia.
Then 3 o'clock in midnight. They went to go and drop them in the station.
A police station.
Then they said those women, they should go and stay in men's room.
The police in Lao. They
wanted to rape them. Police refused. Well, we can't do that. Because this is station.
A police station.
This is live video is here.
A live video.
A video is here. If we do that, we'll be implicated. Then the next day, then I sent my people there. Then we bail God's power. But he said God's power must return that course.
God's power
Then he begged the head of the police that he gave money. Then he told that one that the woman must follow them. Then I want to ask everybody here. Can police return course? Can police return course? Then the police dragged them to the victim. Then when they get to Ayilala, before them, then they dragged the woman out from the car. Then they naked her. Then they record the woman. Then he dragged the woman again. Then all the body was being peeled. And the police was there. The Nigerian police was there. The Nigerian two useless men were there. The Nigerian useless policemen were there. The useless policemen were there. Because of 3 million. Because of 3 million. million.
Who did 3 million?
Because of 2 million.
Who did 3 million?
This is injustice.
On that here injustice.
This is injustice.
I want to injustice.
If it is so in Nigeria,
I want dare you know what
if it is so in Nigeria,
I want dare you know
that is to say,
I want
Nigeria is a dead zone.
I want Nigeria. Am I yagulo never?
That is a dead zone.
I want my yagulo never.
Nobody's living in Nigeria
I want Nigeria
except the good people.
I want Emmanuel Manoro here in Nigeria.
Except the good people.
I want mani nego ime nota.
Except the good people.
I want mani nego.
The good people will leave that Nigeria.
I want mani ma.
The evil police.
I want
Some of them.
I want a sovo.
They are the problem in Nigeria.
I want
How can a police take 3 million bribe?
Away police in another
And just state police.
What now? Not yet 3 million. We are police in red those states.
I have your picture already.
Are we a picture one?
I have your name already.
Are we a new one?
I'm going to publish it out on Monday.
Are we a when
And I'm going to tell the world that the 3 million you collected. This is where you people kill Nigeria. The unique. Okay.
Over 3 million no lack barrier. What in your time will tag Bonaya we.
This is a tribulation.
I want this is a tribulation.
Speaking the door. What are you saying?
We're not tired of realities of it.
Yes. It's a balibu.
I want to know your car.
This is mafia.
Who was a kidnapper?
And it is not good for the police to take bribe.
No like Bagarie.
You take bribe from Richy, 3 million naira.
I want 3 million naira. But Richy.
Then you naked a woman of 75 years old.
I want to
you video her. That is a sacrilege land for aborting. And it is not good. Police, for you to give someone you arrest to a common civilian to be beaten.
Ne common civilian that Doriki no ga gboku 75 years.
And you know this is bailable offense. Not more than 24 hours you have to release that person. This is not tribal.
Bellable face.
This is not tribal deal.
I want to tribal deal.
They didn't force Richy to go and drink water.
We are my force Richy.
They didn't force Richy to go and swear. Only they went to go and swear.
Our police oba. Only
they went to go and swear. And in the law of Benin, anybody that is bad in those states, that who don't want the good of Benin, this is when last 4 or 5 years they swear in those states that trafficking must stop. Human trafficking must stop. Why did police not go for arrests?
Human trafficking must stop. Human trafficking must stop.
Because why?
If not see
it is our law.
Because if not ruino.
And this is the approval from the Benin Kingdom. If you are doing wrong, it's only the Juju that you can tell your mind to that you are free or not. Then they have done that.
Owo wa ya warning it.
Then the police went to go and arrest this man.
Owe olakpa iyan de gbebe ya mu man.
And for all this sacrilege of the land,
Awaga abomination ya for your $12.
Don Richy, you are going to be fired.
Awe Doriki swear your $12.
Don Richy, you are going to be fired in a district.
Richy swear your $12.
And the thunder of Olokun and Isango and Omila and Ayelala will kill you, Don Richy.
Awe kepo Ayelala bayoyi ori Isango. Awe Olokun oruru rigbe. De ba kogun ogunche. Awe ya swear for you.
If you know, Don Richy, the land is not for you, the house is not for you.